I want to help you understand what a photo organizer does to make your photo collection more accessible and enjoyable. Photos are meant to be shared and enjoyed. I can help you find better ways to view your photos. Photos preserve memories. I organize your collection so you can easily find any photo. By combining search words called keywords, you can locate specific photos. I will teach you to make virtual albums to help you group your photos in any way you want. When your photos have been organized, I set up your files to be viewed using software that suits your needs. The photos belong to you. I can help you copy and share them. There are many steps in photo organizing. The most important one is meeting with you to understand your unique needs. I can scan your photos and albums to preserve them. My professional scanners produce excellent results. Adding metadata is a major part of my role as a photo organizer. Metadata is information about the photos: names, places, dates, events, activities, anything that's important to you. The metadata I add enables you to search, sort, organize, rate, and enjoy your photos. I work with you using facial recognition software to name the people in your photos. Those names become searchable keywords. Using a keyword list that you prepare, I add important keywords to the photos. It's a complicated process. I use at least 6 different software applications and a powerful computer. I hope you'll contact me to discuss your photo organizing needs.